how to change your region in Roblox Mobile. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the country that's on your Roblox account on an iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So in order to change our location or region on our Roblox account, the first thing we need to do is open up the Roblox app, then select More in the bottom menu. Once in More, scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Help and Safety. From there, select Help. Once Help opens up, go down and select Roblox account. And then all you need to do in this little search right here, type location. The first result should be account location. Go ahead and select that. Once you get into account location, scroll down, and what we need to select is need more help, contact support here. So select that. There is no way for us to go into our settings on our account and actually update our location. So we need to submit a support ticket and Roblox will update and change our location for us. So go ahead and enter any required information. Probably a good idea to do your username and the email address associated with your account. Then select the device that you're on. So as you can see, you can do this on any device. Select your category. For categories, scroll down and select How To, and then select the subcategory of Change My Location. After that, for Describe Your Issue, I recommend putting some text in like this. I have changed my location to the new location that you're at, but my account still shows old location, so the current location. Please update my account accordingly. Check the description. I'll have this text down there, so you can just update it with the new location and the old location, then select Continue. And Roblox should get back to you within 2 to 3 days. They might ask you some more questions, but after that, they'll update the location on your Roblox account. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.